I put some tape around, insulator tape, which I bought it from Home Depot. So put it around so could be no air pressure loss on the way to the vents. And this is the thing that I was talking about earlier about cutting it right here with a reciprocal saw or any other cutter. It makes way much easier, and make another cut right here, right to the vents on top of it. So that this whole piece will come out, and then you can have more room to work on it. And I seen the other video, just making a hole right there, and yeah, it works too, I guess. But for me, it was much easier. Take another part, make some cuts right there, and work inside the vents. Put them back together. This is halfway down, which is saved me a lot of time just by cut this piece right here and here, and the other side too as well, and the other side. And that's it. I'm gonna put it back together. It's gonna take me 45 minutes, and I'm gonna have nice heat for the winter. Hey guys, I found a new way to fix the heater flap bent, which it was destroyed. I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I just put a piece of the aluminum heating sealer and a piece of insulation tape as well, so I can put it around. I found way easier now than the other video that I seen that I'm making a hole right through it. It's gonna take a little longer, which is you have to remove just the top, and make it some hack cutting it right there like I did. I'm gonna show you in a minute.